Sometimes weekend questions are very simple, but it is still hard to answer fast in English.
Yes, that is true.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy English with Max and Mia.
I'm Mia.
And I'm Max.
And this is Easy English with Max and Mia.
Today we are talking about your weekend.
Yes, this is a very useful topic.
It really is. People often ask, how was your weekend? Or what did you do on the weekend?
And sometimes you know the words, but you do not know how to answer.
Exactly. So today we will make it easy and simple.
And before we start, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English too.
Okay, let's start.
Good. So, Max, how was your weekend?
My weekend was good. It was simple but good.
That sounds nice. What did you do on Saturday?
On Saturday, I woke up a little late. Not very late, but later than on weekdays.
That is normal.
Yes, on weekdays I wake up early, but on Saturday I usually sleep a little more.
Me too. I like slow Saturday mornings.
Yes, me too. On Saturday morning, I made coffee and had a small breakfast.
What did you eat?
I ate eggs and toast.
Very nice. And of course, coffee.
Of course, I need coffee.
You always need coffee.
Yes, that is true.
I need tea.
Yes, I know. Tea for you, coffee for me.
Exactly.
After breakfast, I cleaned my apartment a little.
Only a little?
Yes, only a little. It was Saturday, not a big cleaning day.
That is fair.
I washed the dishes, cleaned the table, and opened the window.
That is good. Very normal weekend English. I washed the dishes, I cleaned the table, I opened the window.
Yes, these are very useful past simple sentences.
Good. Then what did you do?
Then I went to the supermarket.
What did you buy?
I bought fruit, bread, pasta, and some chicken.
Very practical.
Yes, weekend shopping is very common.
Did you go alone?
Yes, I did. I went alone.
Do you like shopping alone?
Yes, I do. It is faster. I can go in, buy my things, and go home.
Yes, I understand that. Sometimes shopping with other people is slow.
Very slow.
Very, very slow.
That is true.
Okay, so on Saturday you woke up late, had breakfast, cleaned your apartment, and went to the supermarket.
Yes, that was my morning and early afternoon.
What did you do after that?
After that, I went to see my family.
Oh, that sounds nice. Who did you see?
I saw my parents and my sister.
Very nice. Did you have lunch together?
Yes, we did. We had lunch together at my parents' house.
What did you eat?
We ate rice, chicken, salad, and bread.
That sounds very good.
Yes, it was very good. My mother cooked, so of course it was good.
Yes, food from family is always good.
Usually, yes.
What did you talk about?
We talked about normal things: work, daily life, the week, and family plans.
Yes, very common things.
Exactly. Nothing big, just simple family talk.
That is nice. I think this is good for learners too, because they can use simple English. We talked about work, we talked about the week, we talked about family plans.
Yes, very easy and useful.
Did you stay there a long time?
Yes, I stayed for a few hours.
And then?
Then I came home and watched a movie.
What kind of movie?
A comedy.
Good choice.
Yes, on Saturday night I wanted something easy and funny.
Did you like it?
Yes, but it was not amazing.
So it was okay.
Yes, it was okay. Not bad, not great.
That is also a useful answer. It was okay.
Yes, very useful.
Did you do anything else on Saturday?
No, not really. After the movie, I felt tired, so I went to bed.
What time did you go to bed?
I went to bed at about 11:30.
That is not too late.
No, not too late.
Okay, now let's talk about Sunday.
Yes, Sunday was different.
Good. What did you do on Sunday?
On Sunday, I woke up earlier.
Really? Why?
Because I wanted to go for a walk in the morning.
Oh, nice. Where did you go?
I went to the park near my home.
Did you go alone again?
Yes, I did.
You really like doing things alone.
Sometimes, yes, it is peaceful.
That is true.
I walked for about an hour. The weather was nice, so it felt very good.
What was the weather like?
It was sunny and a little cool.
Perfect walking weather.
Yes, exactly.
Did you listen to music?
No, I didn't. I just walked and looked around.
Oh, I like that. Quiet time.
Yes, quiet time is good on Sunday.
I agree. Sunday feels softer.
Yes, it does.
What did you do after your walk?
After my walk, I came home and made lunch.
What did you make?
I made pasta.
Only pasta?
Yes, simple pasta with tomatoes and cheese.
That sounds nice.
It was nice. Simple food is good on Sunday.
Yes, Sunday is not the day for difficult cooking.
Not for me.
Not for me either. I also like easy food on Sunday.
What do you usually eat on Sunday?
I usually eat something easy too. Maybe soup, pasta, or sandwiches.
That sounds good.
Yes, and I always want tea after lunch.
Of course, tea again.
Yes, always tea.
This is your routine.
Yes, tea is my weekend friend.
That sounds funny, but okay.
It is true. After lunch, I had some free time, so I read a little.
What did you read?
Just a magazine, nothing serious.
That is good. Easy reading is nice on the weekend. Yes, then I called a friend.
Oh, nice. What did you talk about?
We talked about work a little, but mostly about weekend plans and food.
Food again.
Yes, people always talk about food.
That is true. Food is a very safe topic.
Very safe.
Did you meet your friend?
No, I didn't. We just talked on the phone.
Okay.
Then in the evening, I made dinner and got ready for Monday.
Ah, yes. Sunday evening.
Yes, Sunday evening is different.
It really is. It is calm, but also a little serious.
Exactly. On Sunday evening, I like to prepare for the next week.
What do you usually do?
I check my bag, prepare my clothes, and make a small to-do list.
That is very good.
Yes, it helps me feel ready.
This is a very useful idea for learners too. I checked my bag. I prepared my clothes. I made a to-do list.
Yes, these are simple past tense patterns.
And they are very practical.
Exactly.
Okay, Max, I want to ask you more weekend questions.
Good, go ahead.
Did you cook this weekend?
Yes, I did. I cooked pasta on Sunday.
Did you visit your family?
Yes, I did. I visited my family on Saturday.
Did you watch TV?
No, I didn't. I watched a movie, but I did not watch TV.
Did you relax?
Yes, I did. I relaxed a lot.
Did you work?
No, I didn't. I did not work this weekend.
Very good. These question and answer patterns are very useful.
Yes. Did you cook? Yes, I did. Did you go out? No, I didn't.
Very simple. Very clear.
And very common in real life.
Now I want to share a small funny story.
Good, tell us.
On Sunday morning, I wanted to make a very nice breakfast.
Okay.
I felt confident.
That is dangerous.
Yes, maybe a little dangerous.
What happened?
I wanted to make pancakes.
That sounds good.
Yes, but I made one small mistake.
What mistake?
I forgot the sugar.
Oh no.
Yes, I took one bite and thought, this is not right.
That is a sad breakfast.
Very sad.
What did you do then?
I added honey on top and said, okay, now it is fine.
So you saved it.
Yes, I saved it.
Good job.
Thank you. It was not perfect, but it was okay.
That is a very real weekend story.
Yes, sometimes weekends are like that. Small plans, small mistakes, and then tea.
And maybe coffee?
Not too much coffee.
Maybe just one more.
No, Max.
Okay, maybe.
So, let's make this very easy for learners. When you talk about your weekend, you can think about Saturday and Sunday.
Yes, this helps a lot.
First, talk about Saturday.
What did you do on Saturday?
I woke up late, I had breakfast, I went shopping, I visited my family, I watched a movie.
Very good.
Then talk about Sunday.
I went for a walk, I made lunch, I talked to a friend, I stayed home, I prepared for Monday.
Yes, very simple.
Then you can add small details.
What did you eat? Who did you see? Where did you go? What time did you wake up? Did you relax?
Exactly. This makes your answer longer and more natural.
And you do not need difficult English.
No, simple English is enough.
Let's do a short recap.
Good idea.
When you talk about your weekend, keep it simple.
Use Saturday and Sunday.
Talk about activities.
Talk about food.
Talk about family or friends.
Use easy past simple sentences.
I went, I ate, I saw, I watched, I made, I called.
Very good.
And ask follow-up questions too.
What did you do? Where did you go? Who did you see? What did you eat? Did you have a good time?
Yes, this is very useful.
And here is one small confidence tip.
Yes, this is important.
Do not try to say everything. Just say 2 or 3 simple things first.
Yes, that is a good way.
For example, my weekend was good. On Saturday, I visited my family. On Sunday, I stayed home and relaxed.
That is enough to start.
Yes, then you can add more.
So please do not wait for perfect English.
Simple English is good English.
Yes, calm practice is better.
Now it is your turn.
Please write in the comments, what did you do last weekend?
Write 1, 2, or 3 simple sentences.
You can write about Saturday, Sunday, food, family, friends, or free time.
We would love to read your comments.
And if this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Yes, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you for spending time with us.
We hope this helped you speak a little more easily today.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.